These are the top 10 tricks that you should add to your wish list in May 2025. We've got new releases, hidden gems, and a few tricks that I think are front runners for Trick of the Year. My name's Nikolas. Let's get started. Top of the list this month is Instrumental by David Jonathan and Nikolas Mavresis. This is an incredible trick where you can borrow a spectator's phone and make a prediction of what song they're going to choose on their phone. You go on Spotify and start playing a song that you think they're about to think of. You put the volume all the way down even though the song is playing. Then you bring out your instrumental deck of cards. It's a karaoke deck with all sorts of different songs from different genres, different decades, something for everybody. They choose any song that they want. There is no force here. And whatever song they choose, they turn the volume up on their phone and it is revealed that you have already started to play their song. The real beauty of Instrumental is the secret. It's so simple. The secret hides in plain sight in your instrumental deck, and it interacts seamlessly with Spotify. So there's no special magic apps or NFC or RFID, none of that stuff. This is a very direct and simple method that will work every single time. It's rare to find a music magic effect that is often this direct and this clean, and Instrumental checks those boxes. It's a must add to your wish list this month. Next up is Fine Imprint, and man, do these coins look cool. Imagine borrowing a quarter or a penny and then revealing that their selected card or secret thought is permanently minted into the coin itself. You're getting a full set, a quarter, 10 pennies, all with permanent card engravings. Craig Petty will teach you all sorts of smart applications from reveals to switches to forces, but honestly, just carrying around one of these coins in your pocket makes you ready at all times for an incredible piece of magic. Coming in at number 3 is Tongue Tied by Mario Lopez, and this one is a serious contender, I think, for Trick of the Year. You blow up a balloon with your mouth, you watch, the audience can see it before it's inflated, you blow it up, and then you do the impossible. You tie the balloon off with your tongue. Pull it out of your mouth, and there it is, tied, and you can bounce the balloon into the audience. The secret is a clever little gimmick that makes it super practical and really easy to pull off, even though it looks completely impossible. If you're performing at parties, casual gigs, or just something wildly visual, or just want to transition into a bigger trick that uses a balloon, Tongue-Tied is a no-brainer to add to your wish list. Maybe my favorite trick I've seen this year is number 4, Quimera Box by Hernan, Maccagno. I was so excited to purchase this trick, not only after I saw it fool Penn and Teller on Fool Us, but I got to see Hernan perform it live in Blackpool this year, and it's just as fooling live as it was on video. This is essentially a coins across style routine using this brass ring as a prop. You really have to watch it yourself to be as fooled as you will be by it. But the props are not only gorgeous, the routine is very approachable and a practical thing to do given the method that is involved. So I was thrilled to see that this was an actual release that you can get if you're looking for a coin box style routine that will really fool people and feel like actual magic. Look no further. This is an incredible trick to add to your wish list. Coming in hot at number 5 is Instant Transfer by Will Tyrrell. This is one of the most visual, fooling card-to-bill transpositions you'll ever see. A signed card and a dollar bill change places in an instant. It looks like CGI, but happens live at your fingertips. Will built in some really smart touches that makes this routine hit harder and look even crazier than similar tricks. It's practical, insanely visual, and it's a monster routine that you can easily carry in your wallet. Next up, number 6, Going Up by Sean Ridgeway, which is an ambitious card style trick in a packet style form that really takes the ambitious card to a whole new level. You show 4 cards, you reveal one of them as being a king, you kind of like step them, make them in a step formation, and one at a time, the face-up king rises visually through the packet of cards until it ends up on the top. What's really great is these gimmicked cards that you'll receive have no moving parts or special ink or anything like that. It's a very simple trick to do, and the printed cards do all the work for you. So whether you're a beginner or a pro, going up is just a straight up good card trick that you're going to want in your arsenal. So add it now to your wish list. At number 7, we have Holding Pattern by Alvo Stockman. An incredible trick where 3 cards are selected and revealed one at a time. The first reveals itself by turning face up in the deck. Let's say it's the Jack of Diamonds. You then reveal that that Jack of Diamonds is holding the second spectator's card, and then in one step further, that card is holding yet another tiny little card, all on the same playing card. You've literally morphed the ink on the card to reveal all 3 selections. This trick gets crazy, huge reactions, and you'll receive everything you need to do the trick. It's very simple, just one card that you need to add to your deck, and Eric Tate on the instructional video will teach you everything that you need to know to blow your audiences up with Holding Pattern by Alvo Stockman. Here at number 8 is the Raven Mini Penny by Penguin Magic. This one's incredible. Place a penny in your spectator's hand. You show your hands completely empty. With a slow wave over the penny, it instantly zaps down and shrinks into a tiny miniature penny that you can give away as a souvenir. This is an incredible accessory to use with your Raven starter kit, and on the instructional video I'll teach you everything that I know so that you can be performing the Raven Mini Penny in any scenario that you find yourself in. It's a super fun trick to do and a great giveaway. So if you have the Raven, you need the Raven Mini Penny, add it to your wish list right now. At number 9 is an incredible coin effect. This is Coinception by Roddy McGhie, where you literally assemble, materialize a coin, a quarter, piece by piece at the fingertips, and then complete it and give it away. There's no moving parts or magnets. This is just an incredibly devious gimmick that you would expect from the mind of Roddy McGhie. It's also worth noting that Coinception also comes in a 10p version, so that if you're international, you can have a choice of what coin you would like to use. But this is a great blend of not only an incredible coin gimmick, but almost a new coin sleight that if you are a coin worker, you're going to love the thinking behind this. Coinception is a great trick. Last but not least, hidden gem for you, Super Shuffle by Calabrese. This is an incredible device that will give you further control over your card magic. What does that mean? Well, you can do a full wash shuffle of your deck of cards. Put the cards on the table, spread them out with your hands, yet still maintain a short stack of cards to be used in any style of routine. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're familiar with tricks like snaps, or maybe you want to maintain a phone number or any sort of sequence of cards, Super Shuffle gives you the ability to do a wash shuffle on the table while still maintaining those cards in the correct order. So once you understand what this is capable of, this will become a critical part of your card magic. So there you have it. Those are my top 10 add to your wish list tricks of May 2025. If you had any questions about the tricks, you want to take a look at any of them, they're all available right now at penguinmagic.com. And if you're here on YouTube, go ahead and give this video a like, subscribe, or ring that notification bell so that you get updates whenever we post a new video. And leave a comment. Did I miss anything? Is there any tricks that you're excited about? I want to know. Post them down below and we'll right back to you. On behalf of everybody here at Penguin, thanks for watching our videos. My name's Nick. I'll see you around soon.